today we're doing the crazy legs drills for skills. There are 3 parts to the crazy leg. Part 1 is the toes. Part 2 is the hips. Part 3 is moving your hips and your toes. And today we're gonna work on all 3. Drill number 1, out, in, out, in. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. For this, when I'm bringing my toe down, I'm shifting my foot out so I can move my toe around. I'm saying toes, but we're really focusing on moving our entire leg. It's like our hamstring muscles move, and that's what makes our toes flick while we're doing the move. So it's really important that we practice getting comfortable with this emotion. I also like to practice looking and smiling in the camera. I know it might sound silly, but the most important part about being a skate influencer is looking good while you're skating. Rule number 2, we're gonna pull our foot out, we're gonna drag it in, toe back. We're gonna bring it down to the front, and we're gonna drag our toe back. 3, 2, 1, go. Out. I'm just doing it to the side so you can see it. And I also think it's a great demonstration on the different ways that you can use this same move. So if I want to use it to pivot, even though it's not the crazy leg, I'm still getting it. And this is going to bring me to the secret tip of the day. The true secret to getting every move that you want quickly as possible. Wow. Wow. Next thing that we're gonna do with our toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the true secret to getting the crazy leg is figuring out small things that kind of look like a crazy leg that aren't the crazy leg. The crazy leg is only one trick. Think about this, best case scenario, you're at your dream battle, you're in your dream setup, you could only crazy leg for 2 to 3 seconds at Red Bull in the finals before people say, hey, where are the rest of your moves? So now's a good time to start learning different crazy legs. Part 2, we're gonna be working our hips. Drill number 1. 1, 2, 3, stop. 2, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. I like this move because this is the part in the middle of the crazy leg, and this is the part where we're doing extra things with our toes. I also like it because this can be something that we can do in the middle of our crazy leg to make it look more exciting. You gotta stay to the end of the video in order to see what I'm talking about. As I'm doing the stops, I stumbled over my words there for a second. I want to feel myself turn into my outside edge. Now we're going to do a similar motion, but it's going to be a little bit quicker. Instead of sliding all the way, just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm really starting to feel the inside, rather the outside edge, and I'm feeling a lot more balance inside of my hips. That's why I wanted to stress standing up straight as possible. You know, we still got a little bend in our knees as we're coming and doing these stops. The crazy leg is about style, and skating standing up is a lot more stylish than bending our knees and skating down here. Drill number 3. What's our drill number 3 gonna be? We're going to do a wide dribble. So 1, very wide, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You can take this one slow, or you can do it a little bit faster if you feel more comfortable. But personally, I like to do this nice and slow so I can feel the muscles in my back contracting and coming through my toe, as well as my hamstrings. Now we're gonna be putting everything together. I'm gonna go for the crazy leg in place. We're gonna use our out and in drill, mix it with our toes out into the front drill to get our crazy leg. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I don't need a beat. I can rock a cappella. Oh. When I'm crazy legging, I like to feel my hips move and swaying, like pushing to the front as I'm going. That's how I can signal to myself that I'm at least trying not to look static, because it's hard to make this look good with all the Yeah, feel that burn. One part about getting the crazy leg is practicing it with some rhythm. And over a time, that doesn't quite feel comfortable. Woo! Next exercise. Out. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Out. 2, do-do-do, out. 2, 3, and 4, and so I do these a cappella because it makes it easier to edit them later. So I like to try to remember a song in order to help with my pace. I actually heard a man say this to a football team once. Y'all are cheating. You go out there for your workouts and you're listening to the latest Future and Drake and DJ Khaled telling you're the best. But when it's game day, you gotta go out there by yourself in silence. That's why I started developing my ability to do things without the motivation of music. We're gonna go 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. When I'm saying 1 and 2, it's our crazy leg motion. Then we're gonna do a small scissors and do the crazy leg motion again. And then into a regular crazy leg before 1 and 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna have to dig for this one. It's also gonna help you build that foot control. See, I stumbled a little bit on that one. Work to keep that form. Keep them arms moving. Woo! And that is the Crazy Leg Drills for Skills. I'm sweating. I wonder if you're sweating. Let me know down in the comments how you felt. Was it too hard? Was it too easy? Whew, excuse me. Well, if you love the Crazy Legs Drills for Skills, you're gonna love my next Drills for Skills on. Whatever y'all wanna see next, comment it down below and tell me, what are you learning on skates right now? And I'll get to that ASAP. And until next time, see you, Boss Tweezy.